She just looks so cute. Her little white paws, our dog at home, she's all black and she has 4 bottom white paws, so I figured they'd be so cute together.
I came in to get a dog from my mother, surprising her, and Maurice kept jumping up and down. I'm like, I guess we got some sort of connection already like we're doing right now, you know? So hope he connects with my mom like he's connecting with me.
Well, we actually were looking for an emotional support dog. We're a military family, so we've been through a lot. I was so afraid that he was gonna get taken, but when I saw his face, he was just the cutest dog, so I knew I had to get him.